Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts and backup option. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the Google Drive section, so let's tap on backup data. And we have to sign in or create a Google account. So let's tap on next. We have to add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And let me try not to make mistakes. Oh my god. Okay, I have a really hard time with this device and typing on it. Okay, is it okay? No, it is not. It's hard reset. Yeah. Alright. Now let's tap on next. And here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, fortunately without any mistakes. What happened? Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info. So let's tap on Agree after reading. And here we've got the backup info and backup options, so here you can decide what you want to backup. So you can backup photos and videos, you can backup contacts, call history, device settings, apps and apps data, and text messages. So it's up to you. We can choose maybe those. I don't want to backup photos and videos. So let's tap on confirm. Okay, let's manage backup. And as you can see here, we've got the backup section, so we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off, so you can avoid some unwanted charges for accessing and the limit of your mobile data. So to finish everything, we have to tap on backup now, and from now on your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.